At Treehouse Life, rope bridges are not an add-on. They are a craft we've pioneered, refined, and delivered across the globe. From private estates to world-class resorts and large-scale attractions, we are widely recognized as one of the longest-standing and most experienced rope bridge specialists in the world. Every bridge we create is entirely bespoke, designed from first principles, engineered for strength, longevity, and safety, and crafted to sit effortlessly within its environment. We don't use kits, we don't use templates. Instead, we design each structure around your landscape, your trees, your span, and your vision, ensuring a result that is not only structurally exceptional, but visually seamless. Our in-house team manages the entire process, from concept and design, through precision manufacturing, to full installation anywhere in the world. The result? Rope bridges that are trusted, proven, and built to perform, while delivering a sense of adventure, elegance, and connection that simply cannot be replicated. If you're looking for the very best in rope bridge design, you've found it.